Divide rational expressions. Student learning objectives. 1. Divide rational expressions. For any two rational expressions, r over s and t over u, where s does not equal to 0 and u does not equal to 0, r over s divided by t over u is equal to r over s times u over t. To divide rational expressions, 1. Multiply the first rational expression by the reciprocal of the second rational expression. 2. Follow the steps for multiplying rational expressions. Example, divide x squared plus x minus 2 over x squared minus x minus 6, divided by 2x squared plus x minus 3 over 4x squared minus 13x plus 3. So let's write each as factored form. X squared plus x minus 2. We need to find two numbers whose product is -2, whose sum is 1. These two numbers are 2 and -1. So x squared plus x minus 2 factors into x plus 2 times x minus 1. So we write here x plus 2 times x minus 1 divided by x squared minus x minus 6. We need to find two numbers whose product is -6 and whose sum is -1. -1. -3 times 2 is -6. -3 plus 2 is -1. So it factors into x minus 3 times x plus 2. So x minus 3 times x plus 2. Divided by factor 2x squared plus x minus 3. We need to find two numbers whose product is -6 and whose sum is 1. 3 times -2 is -6. 3 plus -2 is 1. So we write 2x squared plus x minus 3 as 2x squared. Replace x by 3x minus 2x and minus 3. Then factor by grouping. In the first grouping, we have 2x, x is the greatest common factor. Factor it out. We're left with 2x plus 3. In the second grouping, -1 is the greatest common factor. Factor it out. We're left with 2x plus 3. Again, we continue to factor. The greatest common factor here is a binomial, 2x plus 3. Factor it out. We're left with x minus 1. So the numerator factored into 2x plus 3 times x minus 1 over, we need to factor the denominator, 4x squared minus 13x plus 3. We need to find two numbers whose product is 12, whose sum is -13. -12 and -1. -12 times -1 is 12. -12 plus -1 is -13. So we rewrite the polynomial by replacing -13x by -12x minus x. Factor by grouping. We group the first two terms. We group the last two terms. Factor out the greatest common factor in each grouping. In the first group, 4x is the greatest common factor. Factor out 4x. We're left with x minus 3. In the second group, -1 is the greatest common factor. Factor it out. We're left with x minus 3. We continue to factor. This time, the greatest common factor is a binomial. Pull it out. We're left with 4x minus 1. So now we factored our polynomial. So the denominator is x minus 3 times 4x minus 1. In the first rational expression, x plus 2 is a common factor. We can cancel that out already. In the second fraction, x, they don't have any common factors. We leave it as is. Now, this is equal to x minus 1 over x minus 3. Change the division into multiplication. Take the reciprocal of the second fraction. X minus 3 times 4x minus 1 over 2x plus 3 times x minus 1. Multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. So we get x minus 1 times x minus 3 times 4x minus 1 over x minus 3 times 2x plus 3 times x minus 1. This is equal to, first cancel out common factors. The common factors are x minus 1, x minus 1, x minus 3, x minus 3. So now we are left with 4x minus 1 over 2x plus 3.